A data model is a collection of high-level data description constructs that abstract and hide the low-level storage and retrieval details from the user of the data. In different occasions throughout this course, we will briefly discuss other data models, including the original navigational data models, such as hierarchical and network models, which are now considered obsolete. We will also briefly discuss column family, graph, document, and key value stores that are currently used in NoSQL databases, or arrays and matrices used in machine learning and AI applications, and semi-structured data such as used in XML. However, throughout this course, our focus is on relational data model. Originated in 1970s and is still in widespread use, relational database management systems are estimated to still be the most in use database management systems, making more than 70% of today's database management systems in use. Data model, as a notation for describing data, can be defined by its elements, including the structure of data, operations on the data, and constraints on the data. Let's start with the structure of data. Data model describes the conceptual structure of data. This is different from physical data structures. For example, structures we use in programming languages, such as arrays or objects, include information about the physical structure of data. Data model deals with conceptual structure of data, defined by a schema. The conceptual schema is usually defined by a data definition language, or DDL. The conceptual schema of a data is somewhat a higher level. For example, for relational database management systems, the conceptual schema is defined by specifying attributes of a two-dimensional table named a relation. Now, the operations on data. Operations on data are defined using a data manipulation language, or DML. This language is different from a programming language. It is abstracted in a comparably higher level. It supports modifications such as add, delete, and change, as well as operations called queries that are used to retrieve data. The user of the DML also does not deal with physical details of the operations. Data model also specifies conditions and limitations on data called constraints. These limitations ensure correctness of data and are also defined by the data definition language.